everyone, today I'm going to show you two ways of charging the battery in your Porsche. In my case, I'll be demonstrating it on a 981 Cayman S, but the same procedure stands across the whole Porsche lineup. And I'm going to show you two methods. One slightly complicated one, and the second one so easy that you can actually do it in your goofy slippers. And these are the products that I'm going to be using today. This is a C-Tech battery charger, as well as a special adapter that I'm going to go into in a little bit. But essentially, this is the same charger that Porsche sells, minus the Porsche Premium. So you can pick it up on Amazon. I'm going to link it down in the description for you. It is a no-brainer. I actually do use a similar charger in my 2017 M3. The first step is opening up the frunk. And this reveals a bunch of plastic. Well, what you do next is you take this plastic cover off and you can pull it up, but in my case, we're going to take it completely off, which reveals this whole area. But obviously the next step is unpacking this charger. So let's see what's inside. You have a little carrying case, a manual, more cardboard, a little connector. This connector is used if you want to hardwire it to the battery. We're not going to do that, but it is possible. So this is your C-Tech charger. Now, some cars come with lithium-ion batteries. Just make sure you buy an appropriate charger for your car. So my M3 uses a lithium-ion charger. This is a regular battery, so just make sure you get the right one. Again, I'm linking everything in the description for you. Next is you grab these clamps, and the idea is to connect the red one to the positive terminal and the black one to ground. Now, positive terminal is identified on the battery with a little plus, obviously, and the ground, actually Porsche gives you a specific ground right over here. It's a little bolt that's grounded to the body, so you'll know you have the best connection. So it's as simple as just doing that. Now, if the cable is not long enough, you can actually stretch it and unattach it from each other, so you have enough of a stretch. So first you hook it up to the positive, and then you hook it up to this ground. Next is you plug in your C-Tech to the wall, and you can see that the lights are illuminated, and you take the end piece and attach it to this end piece. And just like that, the battery will begin to charge, and eventually it'll reach a tender status, and it'll continue to tender until it's fully charged. Afterwards, you'll be ready to use it as you please. But remember, I told you this was the complicated method. So we're going to disconnect it, and I'm going to show you a very easy way of doing the same thing. Now the next part is so easy that even a child could do it, and I'm surely demonstrating it by sitting in my daughter's seat. Maybe this is better. So what I've got here is this adapter which plugs into your 12-volt socket. This is it. So this is an adapter that plugs into your 12-volt socket, and maybe that's not a good idea. But there's one in the footwell. So after you plug it into the footwell, and of course you can use any 12-volt socket you have. You can use this one. You can use the one in the center console, and maybe that's going to be the one that's easier to demonstrate. So why don't I show you in detail how to do that? So you find any 12-volt socket. In my case, I've got one here in my armrest, and you stick this in here, and then you find the end of your charger, and you marry these two. And after you marry them, you're gonna have this green blinking light, which means that the connection is solid. And this also means that the vehicle is being charged and tendered. And this is once again to demonstrate how effective it is. As you can see, it's going through its stages. Once it reaches the final stage, it means it's fully charged and it's going to be in its maintain stage. So that's how I'm going to leave it overnight. And that's it. I hope this video was somewhat helpful. And this is my charger for my M3. So I am actually a firm believer in getting a C-Tech charger versus what the manufacturer sells you at the dealer. So this Porsche charger would cost me a lot more. This BMW charger would cost me a lot more compared to the C-Tech. So again, I'm going to link it for you down in the description. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.